everyone, it's Katie and today we'll be making multi-wick candles. They're perfect for any home. You should add these to your product line because they're so cheap to make and they can leave any home smelling amazing. Let's take a look at the recipe. First, you're going to want to gather your supplies. 1 16-ounce candle container, 3 wicks, 3 wick sticker tabs, 3 wick holders, a double boiler, glass pitcher, and a whisk or stirring utensil. Now you're going to gather your ingredients. You'll need the following to make the candle: 24 ounces or 96% of soy wax, and 1 ounce or 4% of fragrance. I went into our massive library to choose out our fragrance. Today I chose apple cinnamon because it smells so warm and inviting. Oh my gosh, it smells like a perfect fall day. You can use just about any fragrance to fit any time of the year. Okay, let's get started. This product is super easy to make. First, you want to take your wick sticker tabs and place them under your wicks. Once you have done this, grab your selected container and evenly space out the 3 wicks. You want to have an even amount of space from the wall of the candle to the wick. Now you're going to want to calculate the amount of wax for 3 wicks candles. If you're unsure, click the link below to redirect you to the page I used. For my candles, I'm going to need roughly 24 ounces of wax to fill the container. Place your pitcher into a double boiler and heat on medium to low heat to reach its melting point. This is important so the wax does not burn at the bottom of the pot. If you want, you can stir often to speed up the process. Remove from the heat immediately after melting and use the thermometer to read the temperature. This is important so you can make sure the wax is below the flash point of your fragrance. Now it's time to place your fragrance into the soy wax. So I'll be adding 1 1/2 ounces of fragrance. Once poured, make sure you're consistently stirring for 1 to 2 minutes to thoroughly incorporate. Pour the wax into the container and place the wick holders around each wick to keep them in place during the curing process. You're going to want to wait 1 to 2 hours to let these candles cool. After they cool, you can fix any of the sinkholes and smooth out the top as needed. But these came out looking pretty good. Finally, after they've cooled off, you're going to want to trim the wicks to approximately 1/4 of an inch. And then let them cure for 2 to 3 more days before lighting. But if you have the time, you can wait up to 2 weeks for an even stronger smelling candle. If you like this DIY, you should check out our air freshener DIY. The combination of these two will leave your house smelling amazing. We spent about $2 to make this candle. You can sell wholesale for 3 to 4 and retail for 6 to 7. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe down below to stay up to date with our latest videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!